Let's watch what they do. Let's see. Look at the water's coming out of them like a sprinkler. Yeah. You got your red one? Can you fill your red one up and show Mama? Look at your duckies. Oh, you like the red one? With the red. What's the matter? Oh, get your ducky. Oh, you gonna put your ducky in the water? Oh, did you get your ducky? Why are you biting on your ducky? Yeah. Okay. I understand your teeth hurt. Okay. You want to play with this one? You want to play with your blue container? Is that what you said? No? You're absolutely right. Okay. Oh, you got your washcloth now too? Okay, Harper. All right, we'll get out.
Are you moving the water around? Oh, it's getting heavy? And you pour the water out? Oh, and now it's empty. It means there's no more water in there. This one's empty too. Oh, actually it's not empty. That one's full of water.
Heavy.
It's heavy. Why is it heavy? Is it because there's water in there, that's why it's heavy? Oh, you're gonna pour it into the bigger container? So now that one's empty.
Heavy.
It's heavy. What are you gonna do to make it not heavy? You're gonna pour the water out? Is it heavy now? Or is it empty? Is it empty? Empty, yeah. Means there's no more water in there. And that one's empty too. Oh, now you filled it up with water. Now it's full.
Careful.
Oh, be careful, yeah. You're moving it back and forth. No more water.